from the future here. So sorry this video is very late. This is the second part of the sewing room organisation video. Yeah, just things have been a little bit hectic really, and I've just kind of still been finding my feet on what I'm doing every day in terms of running the business again. But I've just edited everything together and I'm going to post it up now. But yeah, obviously it's not finished. There is still more videos to come, more parts of it. As you can see, it's a lot tidy. I mean, machine's down on the floor at the minute because I've been sort of filming something else. But yeah, enjoy the video, and like I said, look out in the next sort of couple of weeks, definitely some more organisation videos. So I've put my horn cabinet folded away, popped the embroidery machine on top, popped those little drawers that were there next to it, because I don't think it particularly blocks much of that off. But yeah, let me show you. That's how that's looking. That's how that's looking. Obviously I'm going to at some point reorganise all this fabric, but for the time being that's fine. That'll be a different video. But we've still got all this to sort. Hi everyone, so it is day 2 of sorting and tidying out the sewing room. It's Sunday today, so I started this on Friday, so I didn't do anything obviously yesterday. Yeah, just a bit bored today, and it's a bit of a... Sunday's like a reset day, isn't it really? So I've been doing some tidying up. Hence the no makeup, but I did refresh the pink in my hair last night, so that's a lot brighter. But yes, I'm going to sort of share with you my plans on next steps. So the big sort of thing to tackle is this unit here, as you can see. So my thoughts at the minute is, in those boxes up there is fabric, and I'm kind of wanting this to be the fabric, like purely fabric. So I'm going to see what I can do in terms of transferring them maybe into drawers, into those little cubby holes, and that's what I'm going to do. Morning everybody, so it's now Monday, so I didn't really do much on it yesterday. I'll be honest, I wasn't really in the right mood for it. I just got a little bit overwhelmed, which, you know, it happens. Whereas today, obviously it's Monday, I really need to get this sorted so that I can, you know, continue creating. So I'll give you an update as kind of what it looks like. I'll be honest, it looks worse, but you know, it looks worse before it gets better. Hopefully that saying is true. But I'm going to spend an hour or so just blasting through it, getting it done, and sort of show you the little bit I did do yesterday. Okay, so some of this is just generally rubbish, and I'm going to move that all the way into the hallway so that I know exactly what I'm working with. So yesterday I basically cleared everything sort of off those middle 2 shelves in terms of what was covering the books and the magazines. Like I said, this will eventually go, and I am going to replace it with something else because it's bowing in the middle, and I just don't feel like it's organising suitably. Whereas obviously I'm not really sure why it cut off then, but yeah, basically I just feel like this is not very much suitable anymore. The 2 baskets, boxes, whatever you want to call them, down there have got finished projects in that I kind of really don't know what to do with. I feel like I can't keep everything forever. And then the wooden baskets above that, again, have got finished projects, new finished projects as well, or things that I'm working on at the moment. So yeah, I'll set up the camera and take you along. Not gonna lie, after filming that clip then, I've just sat here for 5 minutes scrolling on my phone. I really need to start being a bit more productive today. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna stick something on my iPad. I like to listen to music, put something on in the background, and I'm just gonna crack on, and you can watch basically. So enjoy. this is what we've got to now. As you can see, Freddie is loving it because he's got lots more room on the floor. Obviously I need to hoover. I'm just going to give you a general overview, but obviously I'm not going to go in depth or anything, purely because obviously I would like to do a separate room tour for it if that's something you're interested in. Obviously there's still a bag of rubbish there that I need to move, but in general this is what it's looking like. But yeah, at least I can kind of get in it. Like I said, it's still not perfect, and there's things I want to organise with in the organisation, if that makes sense. I would like to sort of, the folders there that's got some patterns in, some patterns on top, I want to organise those better, and like I said, replace that. So then that'll be another video before then we get into the room tour. So slow process really, but yeah, just so you know what we're working with at the moment. So thank you very much for tuning in to the second part of the organisation. Sorry if it were a little bit all over the place. Like I said, it started off really good on Friday, went a little bit downhill a bit, but I feel like I've powered through this morning. And it's only 11:15, so I'm going to go downstairs, make myself a cup of coffee, let the dog out in the garden, and that's if he wants to go, because I think it's raining probably, but he'll walk out and walk straight back in. But yeah, I'm going to crack on with the rest of my day. I've posted on my Instagram and Facebook this morning asking if you've got any questions for me. I'm going to start a YouTube series, which is a bit of a sit down chatty type series where you can ask me questions, send your questions in. I'll talk about what I'm loving at the moment. So if you want to ask me any questions in regards to what my favourite patterns are, if you're looking for recommendations for sewing patterns, you can ask me that. You can ask me where I like to get my fabric from, or anything generally just about me and my life in general, if that's something you're interested in. So leave your questions below in the comments, and I will compile a list together, and I will start hopefully that series very, very soon. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.